Hello, hello. Hi, everybody. It's Leanne from Cherry Lane here. I have some new Graphic 45 to share with you. So, there's two new releases. That's upside down. So, yep, not in the newsletter yet. Linda is busy pricing these so they can go out on the floor, and we've got some of you on the wait list for this. So, yep, 2 new releases, and I'm just talking until there's some people watching. There's a few. So say hi if you're watching. I can't see your comments right now, but I always go back and check them later. So yeah. I'm not going to show you the open stock paper today because it just takes a little bit longer, and Linda's still pricing that. So first up we have, let's see, Ephemera Queen. So sorry if there's a bit of a glare on there, but there we go. Ephemera Queen. So Ephemera Queen is, oh, I could open this. Let's do that. Here. Oh, or there's the 8x8. No. Okay. Anyway, so there's Ephemera Queen. So Ephemera Queen comes in open stock papers as well as the collection pack. So in the collection pack, what do you get? You get 2 each of the 8 double-sided 12x12 papers and the sticker sheet. So there is your sticker sheet. So I ordered lots of this for you so that we're not going to sell out in one day, hopefully. So collection pack, open stock papers, as I said, and oh, there's the 8x8. Let's see if I can open this without wrecking it. There we go. There, we can flip through the papers here. Whoever gets the one that's opened, you know that was in the video. Ooh, I broke it. Okay, so here's the 8x8 pad. I'll do a quick flip through there. Oh, yellow roses. Someone, I think my mom, is looking for yellow roses. There you go, Mom. So 8x8 pad and Ephemera Queen. There you go. There you go. And there is the journaling and ephemera cards. So you get a whole bunch of 4x6 and a whole bunch of 3x4s. There we go. Close up. I think no glare there. And that's what you actually get in the package. Go, journaling and ephemera cards. See, and then there's the, what do they call this? The die cut assortment. It's beautiful and lovely. And let's see, that's what you actually get in the package. So these are awesome. So if you don't love fussy cutting, these will save you a bit of time. Although you're gonna want to do some fussy cutting anyway, right? Okay, and there's chipboard. So 6x12 chipboard, and let's see, and stickers, which I already showed you. So the stickers come in the collection pack, and they're also available separately. So there we go, stickers. And then I'll show you, so that was Ephemera Queen. So if you want any of this, you can comment on this video, or you can phone us. So our phone number is 604-814-4500. We're here till 6 today, and then we're back from 10 till 6 tomorrow, and Saturday and Sunday. We're only closed on Monday. So up next is Graphic 45's Christmas release, which is called Christmas Time. So there's all the things. Maybe I'll show you this first. This is the class that we just did at our virtual trade show. So should I show you that? Should I? I wish I could see her comments, but I can't. Okay, so there's the collection pack. So there are 8 double-sided papers. You get 2 of each in here and some stickers. So this one is Christmas Time. So this is their Christmas release, and look, it's got gears. It's like a steampunk kind of Santa's workshop stuff. Here's a close-up of all your papers. There's your stickers. This is kind of easier than seeing in the little sticker package. So really good assortment on there. That's your sticker pack. Okay, and I think I forgot to show you for Ephemera Queen, but there is the patterns and solids, which I quite like these. They're, I don't know, they're very complimentary, of course, to the main package. They're a little less busy, so you can kind of mix them in. Okay, I'll show you the 8x8 pad. Let me open it. So 8x8. So 8x8 pad, what do you get? You get 3 each of all the papers. So exact same prints as what comes in the collection pack, they're just scaled down for you. Open up. Should have done this before the video. I didn't. Okay. All right. So Christmas time. So is this close enough up for you? Do a quick flip through. Lots of nice fussy cutting images on there, or front of an album, maybe. So fronts and backs. There's the cards. These are perfect for cards and little albums. Fronts and backs. Oh, I like that one. So the 12 by 12 is just a bigger version of all of this. I quite like this one, steampunk ornaments. Oh, and gears on the back. You can use those any time of year. Okay. So that's the 8 by 8. And stickers, which I already showed you on the back of the collection pack. So also available by themselves. And there's the chipboard. So there's your chipboard. This one also has the journaling and ephemera cards. So there's 32 cards in here, a bunch of 4x6 and a bunch of 3x4s. So there is all of the actual cards that you get in there. Okay, and last but not least, there is the die cut assortment. So that's what you actually get in the package. Hopefully there's no glare. There you go. So that one is Christmas Time. That's their Christmas release. Okay. And then I'll show you this. I don't know if I folded this back up properly. So we did this in our virtual trade show yesterday. Hang on. I forget what they called it. They called it a accordion album. So I think that's the back. So I don't know yet if we're going to do this as a class or not. So room for photos there. Photos, photos. It'll stand up. Room for more photos on the back and more over there. So yeah, it's just a cute little album. So it could sit like on your mantle. I wish I could tilt the camera for you. Yeah. Either way, the sample is going to be here in the store, and yeah, we might do up some kits. If you want us to, then we will do up some kits. So we're not doing classes right now. Some of us have autoimmune or compromised immune systems, and we're just not comfortable with that. So yeah, no classes, but we'll do some kits if you would like them. So let us know. And if you would like anything from Christmas Time or from Ephemera Queen, just give us a call, 604-814-4500, or of course, you can come into the store anytime that we're open. And yeah, hope you're all staying well, and thanks for watching. See you soon.